Let's face it, poker television has always been a little boring. And these days, it's tougher to produce than ever. We're here to turn serious poker into serious fun.
Here's what's gonna happen, buddy. I'm gonna go all in.
Eject the king.
Beer League Poker, where 8 friends and 1 celebrity guest compete weekly in a tournament-style poker game with a crazy themed environment.
Let's go, boys. Let's play some poker.
I'm in.
Welcome to Conjuring Harry Grant.
Bears mauling Nazis this week.
I finally got a Nintendo Switch. It's the stupidest poker table.
Pirates of the Mississippi.
We just played at f***ing Wendy's this week.
I'm all in and a packet of rings, baby. If I don't get my jack, all about friendship is true.
I'm checking for America. Checking for America.
I'm in. I'm gonna murder you. Kiss me.
Yes.
I don't need your scare you.
Yeah, okay, alright. I think I should put up there.
Players compete for real money, and the winner takes their place in the Hall of Champions. It's house rules, and every night is full of surprises.
I am on such a losing streak. I'm out tonight, but I did find someone to take my place.
What's up, peeps? How we all doing? D-Name's in the hizzy.
They're bringing in raise your ass in the game. Losing is your style. Fuck you. This is bullshit.
Combining the popular worlds of competitive poker and video game streaming with the personal touch of 8 friends,
Yeah, no, you don't need to tell me the card, but black?
on the phone back there. Are you talking to my wife?
it's sure to be a full house.
Don't touch my chips.
There is his ass. Don't touch my Doritos. Give me your blinds. Let's go.
You're doing this just to get us wasted? Is that what you're doing?
That's what I do every week.
Okay, everybody, cheers.
I got style 8 this time.
It's the rowdiest, loudest, loosest, pants-optional poker tournament you've ever seen. Beer League Poker,